This is just a couple $100. Luo Si Bao just saw it too. I unboxed this Qingluan Z4 from Bamboo Bird. It features a dark, premium gift box design. Overall, it's simple and elegant. Inside, the earbuds are securely fixed, well protected. But, to be honest, a packaging design like this for just over $200. I'm seriously amazed. Taking them out, my first impression, excellent metallic texture. The housing is made of all metal, processed with dual techniques, showing a combination of mirror and matte finishes. The Qingluan pattern on the cover is exquisite and elegant, blending technology with Eastern aesthetics. The weight is moderate, feels solid, fine craftsmanship, smooth edge transitions. Accessories and features are equally generous. The box includes 3 different tuning styles, interchangeable nozzles, one for pop music, one for vocals, one is the Qi nozzle, allowing flexible switching based on personal preference and music genre. The cable uses 6N, single crystal copper, silver-plated 4-strand braided design, good quality, and supports a 2-pin 0.78mm standard connector, easy for future upgrades. Also includes 3 sizes and materials of ear tips. Overall, the accessories are very generous for this price point. I'm thinking about one thing. Are you buying accessories that come with earbuds? Or buying accessories that come with earbuds? Or buying accessories that come with earbuds? Let me know in the comments. In terms of design, the cavity curve of the Qingluan Z4 is ergonomically optimized, fitting the ear canal very closely, with a stable center of gravity and soft ear hooks, effectively reducing pressure during long wear. Excellent comfort. Sound quality is the core highlight of these earbuds. They use 11mm wide area topological diaphragm technology, with precise topological pattern planning on the diaphragm surface, greatly improving sound wave vibration control accuracy. Whether it's subtle vocal emotion, or transient details of instruments, they are accurately reproduced, high resolution, while maintaining a natural and pleasant tone. The driver uses high ceramic high-density dual-magnet dual-cavity design, reaching Tesla-level magnetic circuit standards, providing strong and stable driving force for the diaphragm. The front and rear cavity acoustic architecture is finely tuned, effectively suppressing standing waves and reflections, making the bass more elastic and controlled. Mid and high frequencies, smooth and transparent. Good soundstage and layering. In addition, the front cavity sound pressure balance system precisely adjusts front cavity pressure and airflow through controlled venting, avoiding energy accumulation. This makes the overall listening experience more stable, vocal outlines clearer, bass clean without tailing, comfortable even for long listening sessions. In terms of tuning, the Qingluan Z4 is based on a balanced and natural tone, while retaining ample musical emotion. With 3 interchangeable nozzles, users can easily match different preferences. The pop nozzle has stronger bass impact. The vocal nozzle has delicate and warm mids. The Qi nozzle focuses more on soundstage and detail reproduction, very practical. So to sum up, 2026 Qingluan Z4, top-tier looks, accessories, comfort, and sound for the price. It suits users who seek high-fidelity resolution, and also suits everyday music lovers. Finally, I want to say, is this headphone a buy accessories, get headphones deal, or a buy packaging, get headphones deal? I'm Si Bao, see you next time, bye bye.